Assembly Symmetry. CATIA 3D experience allows you to quickly and efficiently perform complex assembly symmetries using CATIA Assembly Design app. CATIA provides a clear view of the 3D model and delivers a number of very powerful features such as the creation of symmetries in assemblies. Several icons near the cursor help you to select the right elements to symmetrize, or the appropriate planes of symmetry. The level selector allows you to choose the suitable level of product structure directly from the 3D model. After selection of the appropriate subassembly, you can easily choose the plane of symmetry. In the preview, the interface colors in blue are the elements that are chosen to be symmetrized. In green, the elements that are meant to be reused, and in gray, the ones that are not going to be kept. Simply by clicking on the part of interest, a menu is displayed on the screen, and you can select whether you want to symmetrize, delete, or reuse the part. When performing a complex symmetry in a big assembly, there are components that are not meant to be symmetrized, but only to exist on one side of the object, or to be reused, just like in this case. You will notice that several icons help you to choose the right plane of auto-symmetry with a dynamic preview. Screws of the same size will be used on both sides. When processing a symmetry, you sometimes need to replace a part on the new side with a different element. What if you could assemble directly during the process? This is now possible. After selecting Reuse an existing reference, the only thing you have to do is to search for the corresponding part in the database to insert it. CATIA Assembly Design allows connections to be formed in the assembly, and symmetry specifications can be modified at any time. When the user is satisfied with the preview, he can click anywhere in the empty 3D space to validate the operation, and the assembly product is created. As a result, the symmetry operation creates new components, avoiding the elements that are not meant to be on both sides, replicating the ones that are supposed to be reused, and adding new ones when needed. Also, the advanced symmetry capabilities of the new interface enable the management of symmetry specification for each element with a dynamic preview using an enhanced and intuitive workflow. On top of that, the symmetry can be edited at any time.